Is your JennAir slide-in electric downdraft range not heating properly when you set it to broil? This is David with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today we're going to take a look at the broil element. It's located right at the top of the oven cavity and provides the intense direct heat needed for broiling. If it fails, the broil function just won't work. Let's walk through how to access it, test it, and replace it if needed. With over 2 billion products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, you'll need a Phillips-head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a multimeter. Most importantly, always disconnect power to your range. Either unplug it or shut off the breaker. Once the power's off and your tools are ready, we can begin. To reach the broil element, slide the range out from the wall and remove the screws holding the rear cover in place. Locate the broil element terminals at the upper part of the range and carefully disconnect both wires from the element so we can test it. With the wires off, set your multimeter to resistance. Touch one probe to each terminal. A good broil element should read somewhere between 12 and 18 ohms at room temperature. If there's no resistance or the resistance is incorrect, the element has failed and needs to be replaced. To confirm the oven is delivering power, reconnect the wires temporarily. Now for this test, we'll be working with live voltage. Extreme caution is a must. If you're not comfortable using a multimeter around live voltage, skip this part. Restore power and set the oven to broil. With your multimeter, place a probe on each terminal. You should get around 240 volts AC. If voltage is present but the element doesn't heat, it's bad. If there's no voltage, then the issue is likely in the wiring or control board. Once you've got your reading, shut off the power again before moving forward. You will need to open the oven door and remove the racks. Once the racks are removed, there will be 2 screws holding the broil element in place at the back. And 6 screws holding 2 brackets in place across the element on the top. Remove the screws. Disconnect the 2 wires, and you can now fully remove the broil element by pulling it forward and lifting it out of the cavity. Here's the old broil element and here's the new one. If you've already picked up your replacement, you're all set. If not, you can grab the right part for your model at AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new broil element into position at the top of the oven. Reconnect the wires to the terminals. Then carefully push the element back and secure it with the same mounting screws at the rear wall. Pop the racks back in and close the door. Place the rear panel on the range and secure it with the screws. With everything back in place, restore power and set the oven to broil. Within a minute or two, the new element should start glowing red. That's your confirmation that the repair worked. And that's it. By accessing, testing, and replacing the broil element, you've restored the broiling function on your JennAir slide-in electric downdraft range. Make sure to use your model number when ordering to get the exact fit. Most parts from AppliancePartsPros.com show up within a couple of days, so you won't be without your oven for long. If this helped you out, give the video a like and let us know in the comments how it went. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing AppliancePartsPros.com, where do-it-yourself appliance repair is always within reach.